Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today we are going to talk about the two special ingredients you need for authentic Sichuan cooking. Spicy bean paste, which is also called doubanjiang, and Sichuan peppercorn. When you are in the Chinese supermarket, make sure you look for this kind of a spicy bean paste called Pishan Douban from Chengdu. This is what's being used for dishes like mapo tofu and twice cooked pork. The spicy bean paste in the jar is already been pre-mixed with chili oil. It's easy for home cook to use. There's also the pure bean paste version without the chili oil. It's more salty and less spicy, a little harder for amateur chefs to use. The other key ingredients in Sichuan cooking is the Sichuan peppercorn, which gives you the numbing and tingling taste. In some supermarket, you may find the whole peppercorn. Make sure it's fresh and has dark red color. It would be flavorless if it's not fresh. Beside the red kind, there's also the green version, which has a refreshing taste compared to the red ones. If you can't find the whole peppercorn, you should look for the pressed peppercorn oil. It gives you more concentrated flavor than the whole peppercorn. It's also better to use the oil version in appetizer dishes. Hope you enjoyed today's show. Thank you for watching. See you next time.